Hi everyone, I'm Lois, and like Freya said, today the first activity of the day with me is going to be making a daily routine chart. So we're going to try and put this into action every day from Monday to Sunday, and this means that you're really going to help your parents or whoever you're living with to keep the house nice and tidy. And this is really important for our bodies because it means that it's going to be nice and clean and we're not going to get any nasty germs, but it's also going to be really good for our mental health because when everything's clean we all just do feel a little bit better. So for this part, you're going to need either a big piece of paper or I've got like a big whiteboard that I'm going to use to write it down. But something big, and you need to put it in a place where all of the family can see it so that everyone knows the jobs for the day. So let's get on with sorting out our daily routine. So here's the whiteboard that I'm going to be using to write down my daily cleaning routine. And just something to think about is that I know sometimes cleaning can seem a little bit boring, but we can make it a little bit more fun by doing things together. And this will mean that the cleaning time is so much shorter as well if we all put in a little bit of work. You can also play some fun music or have a little dance along together while you're cleaning, and that'll make things a lot more fun. So the first thing that we're going to be putting on our routine chart is at 7 a.m. we're going to have our breakfast, and then we're going to be putting our dishes into the washing machine if you have one, or you can wash them up by hand if you need to as well. So you just need some nice soap and some hot water, but not too hot so you don't get burnt, and you need to wash the dishes to make sure there's no dirty dishes on the side. And then the next thing we're going to do at 8 a.m. is we're going to go back into our rooms and we're going to make our beds. So you need to make sure that your blanket's nice and tidy on your bed, and you need to make your pillows, and maybe you can put a teddy on there as well if you have one. And then at 9 a.m. we need to go to school or nursery because you need to learn lots of new things at school. And then once you finish school, then you need to come home, and at 5 p.m. it will be dinner time. So you're going to have some nice dinner, and you might also want to help your family set at the table as well because that will be really helpful. And then at 5:30 p.m, once you've finished all your lovely dinner, then you can help your parents or whoever it is that you live with to wash the dishes, so that again you've got no dirty dishes on the side and they're nice and clean for the next time you want to eat. Then at 6 p.m. we're going to sort our clothes ready to wash, so you can sort them into colours and then whites and then darks, and I'll go through this with you later in our activity in the afternoon. And then at 6:30 p.m. you're going to help clean the house with a grown-up, and you can choose one activity per day, so you can either help them with the dusting or wiping the surfaces or tidying away some toys. But make sure that if you are going to be using any cleaning products, that only grown-ups use the sprays or any other cleaning products, because if they get in your eyes then they can really hurt. So make sure that they're doing the spraying, and maybe your job could be to wipe away all the spray instead. And always make sure to wash your hands afterwards. And then at 7 p.m. it's now the end of the day, so you can have story time and then bedtime. And then after you've gone to sleep, when you wake up the next day, you can do this routine again and then just pick a different chore to do at 6:30 p.m. So I hope you enjoyed making the cleaning routine with me, and remember to make it a little bit fun and try and share the job so that it doesn't take as much time. And next you've got washing up with Freya, so I hope you have fun. See you later!